Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from Calkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Now the S&P ASX 200 is up today, gaining 21.1 points or 0.28%. This index is virtually unchanged over the last 5 days and year to date. The top performing stocks in this index are LIONTOWN RESOURCES, they're up 2.89%, and GRAINCORP is up by 2.39%, while some other notable gainers are Imugene, Chalice Mining, Charter Hall and Alchem. On the other side, the top laggards on the ASX so far today are Life 360, Magellan Financials, Altium, Appen and Aristocrat Leisure. Well, let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX. First up, Ventia has been awarded the Asset Management Services contract for the Western Harbour Tunnel and Sydney Harbour Tunnel by Transport New South Wales. The base contract is an initial 15-year term with 2 10-year extension options. It's expected to generate approximately $450 million in revenue for Ventia. Under the contract, they will provide asset management, operations and maintenance services across both tunnels. The contract will start in early April 2022. Ventia will work with Transport to facilitate an effective transition of existing operations of the Sydney Harbour Tunnel before operation starts from the 1st of September. Next up, BlueScope today announced it's entered into a binding agreement to acquire the coil coatings business from New York Stock Exchange listed Cornerstone Building Brands for $500 million. Coil Coatings is the second largest metal painter in the US, with a total capacity of around 900,000 tonnes per year across 7 facilities, predominantly serving commercial and industrial construction applications. Moving on, and Western Areas has agreed to the scheme implementation deed that was announced on the 16th of December between the company, IGO and IGO Nickel. IGO Nickel would acquire 100% of the issued capital of Western Areas. The consideration proposed under the initial scheme was a cash amount of $3.36 per Western Areas shares. Next up, clean lithium developer Lake Resources has released a statement on signing a non-binding memorandum of understanding with Ford Motor Company for an offtake of approximately 25,000 tonnes each year of lithium from the Kachi project. Lake's managing director, Steve Promnitz, says that both Lake and Ford see this as an opportunity for a potential long-term agreement with the ability to scale up environmentally responsible production and participate in Lake's other projects to ensure high-quality lithium products are available to Ford. Next up, Traffic Technologies has announced it's been awarded a contract for specialist smart city software on the road network in Qatar in the Middle East in time for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. The contract is worth up to $1.4 million annually and covers the supply of smart city software. Traffic Technologies is a premier hardware and software provider for end-to-end traffic management, IoT and smart city solutions. And finally, Worley announced on the 14th of March that the full court of the Federal Court of Australia allowed an appeal by the applicant of the first instance judgment in the class action. Worley has today served an application in the High Court for special leave to appeal the full court's decision. Worley's defence of the class action is funded by Worley's insurers, except for the previously paid initial deductible amount. Worley previously announced the class action on the 29th of October in 2015. Well, that's all for now for the early trades, but stay tuned to Calkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.